my YouTube channel. I'm Ali Vetru. I'm the creative director of this Afrik brand. This Afrik brand is a fashion accessory brand. We make lovely and exquisite fashion accessories with love and excellence to meet our clients' needs. Another aspect of the brand where we offer handcraft skills to individuals, organizations, and groups with the aim of empowering them to become financially independent. Our accessories ranges from beaded jewelry sets, Ankara necklace sets, lapel pins, fillers, and ties. We also have Ankara bangles, bags and shoes, waist bags, waist beads, and every kind of lovely accessory that you can think of. We also offer rental services. We rent our accessories for your occasions, traditional marriages, shoots, your pageantry shows, and for us, and we have that ready for you to use. The purpose of this channel is to constantly deliver great content to you. We'll be sharing contents around crafts generally, such as making of accessories, paper crafts, hacks and tips, and other valuable content that we are sure will be beneficial to you. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, to share, like. You feel free to ask us any question as regards the content we'll be sharing. Thank you, and watch out for our next videos. And please don't forget to subscribe.